Wouldn't it be nice if you could get paid to do good habits? If you could actually improve your life and get paid for doing that? Wouldn't that just sound sick? And I'm telling you, you can actually do this today. It's not some like business model. It's not some crazy thing. It's literally something you could do right now to make like $1,000 probably. Honestly, if you utilize this to the fullest and actually take action on this, you can literally make $1,000 while making it 100 times more likely to do good habits. Seriously, I'm not even joking. And the way that I realized I can do this, which I already made a couple $100 doing, by the way, so this actually works, is taking the video games you have, taking the games you have, taking the things you don't really need that are like kind of bad habits, and just selling them. Sell them to friends you have at school, sell them to anyone who really wants to buy it. You could even just give it away for free. Because when you do this, you just remove the thing that's making you play video games. You're removing the thing that actually just lets you do that. Like, of course, you're not going to play video games if you don't have any video games. And then why not even just do this to the next level and just give away your accounts? Give away the stuff you have in those games. Like, I literally gave someone my Brawl Stars account that I spent hundreds of dollars on, that I spent thousands of hours on. I just gave it to someone for free. Like, I do not care. And then on top of that, you can also give away your consoles, give away your Switch, give away my Wii, give away this video game I have. You don't even have to get a like amazing price. Like, I sold my Switch for $150. So not only are you just cutting out the things that are making you do the bad habits, and you're more likely to do the good habits now because the bad habits aren't in your face, you actually get some money from doing it. I know it's not like 10K a month business model, but it's literally just some free money you can invest in yourself. Because I know so many times, I wish I used my birthday money the right way. I wish I had some Christmas money and I actually spent it on something instead of just video games. Like, I really wish I just spent some cash in the right way. Whatever you get from now on, from the birthdays you get, from the Christmas, from whatever time you get money from, whatever you get that money on, just invest it in yourself. Now, I'm not talking about buying some clothes. I'm not talking about buying some watch. I'm not talking even about investing it into some stocks. Invest it into experiences that happen in your life. Because when you invest it in your experiences instead of some dumb, weird crypto stock that nobody cares about, when you invest it in your experiences, how much likely are you able to get 100 times return on investment from that? From investing $10 going to this one place, investing $100 driving here, investing $1,000 going on this vacation, on this trip to a new place. Imagine all the experiences, all the stories, all the moments and character development you would get from that trip, from that experience. Imagine all the stories you can tell. And when I thought about this, I just thought about so many cool things I can do. Like, I could probably spend like $100 and go around my city for a whole week. And then like I could sleep over at this stranger's house. I could do this, I could do this. I could just put myself out there more, get out to my comfort. Let's say you get $300 from the money you earn from selling all your consoles, selling all your video games, giving away all your accounts, maybe even selling your accounts. Let's say you got $300 from that. And imagine you spent like one night at some really fancy hotel, and then you just got a coffee or got a drink there, and then you were talking to the people that were also in that hotel, asking them questions like, oh, what made you like go to this hotel, like how can you afford it, like this and this. Imagine just asking people that you get in that environment, in that setting, and the amount of experiences and moments you can get from that, bro. Like, it just sounds like a crazy idea, bro. And it doesn't that just sound better to go on some fancy hotel, talk to amazing people, talk to like successful people, like put yourself in an environment where like, wow, this is what it's like to be rich or something. Imagine putting yourself in that environment instead of just investing $300 in some stock, and then in a year, if you're lucky, you'll get like you'll get like 20 more dollars, so you'll get $320 next year, and it's probably going to be inflated. It's probably going to, not even matter if you get lucky. Like, would you rather have that just $20 and you don't really spend anything, or have this crazy experience that you could remember for the rest of your life? And when you get all these experiences, all these moments in your life, you apply them into the business, into the thing that gives you the money, into the good habits that you have. And then you have so many stories, so many experience, so much knowledge in your life that you just put that into the work you do and you get so much more return on investment, so much more growth and expansion from your life because you're just not investing in some clothes, in some watch, in some stocks. You're actually investing it in meaningful things, in experiences that you can do to grow and improve your life. And you can literally make a moment like this happen today when you sell your Switch, when you sell the games that you have. Seriously, it's such a crazy feeling that like for $150 you could probably, like, I'm sure you could come up with some ideas you want to do, but like let's say I can go karting. I really want to go karting this year. I can go karting for a week. I don't know how much it costs, probably in the hundreds. I could just save up some money I get from this and this and this, like some of the video games that I sell. I can just spend all that money on some like weekend for the go karting, like one time go karting, and then I spent that, and then like I raced some people and I beat them. Like I learned how to drive and stuff. Like that experience is just so valuable. It's way more valuable than $100. Like some story you can say. Like imagine all the cool things you can do in your life compared to the person that's just like, oh yeah, I just invested into stocks and stuff. Imagine all the stories, all the moments you can tell to your future wife, to your girl, to the person that you're getting an interview by. Imagine being like, yeah, I went go-karting this one time. And one time I went around my whole city with $100 and I slept over this one stranger's house that I met the same day. And then this one time I did this, and then in this one time I signed up to this crazy thing in my life, and then I learned this thing. And then compared to the guy that just goes like, I just played video games and I got $100 from my Christmas present and I just spent that on Elden Ring. Which one do you think is going to be more appealing? Which one do you think sounds cooler? So, bro, do these moments right now. Actually, make your life a video game. Make your life as fun as a video game with the money that you get from selling all your video games. So, seriously, try this right now. Easy way to make money while doing good habits and what to invest your money on, I guess. So, yeah, kind of went on a side tangent there, but I feel like it's just a crazy thing I learned I really wanted to share with you. So, I hope you found this video valuable or interesting. If you want to get some crazy experiences, invest some of your time into an amazing place where you could even get closer to me. I can literally DM you, talk to you, hop on a call with you. Join my free Discord community in the description. I'll be in there. We'll be in there sometimes. We can, chat, experience a lot of things in our life, basically. So yeah, join that in the first link in the description. So yeah, this is how you improve your life while making money. It's not some crazy business. Just sell the stuff that you don't need. Sell the things that are giving you more likely to do bad habits like video games and stuff, and then boom, money, invest in experiences, boom, grow instead of just investing in some dumb stock. So yeah, I'll see you later, bro. Take care. Peace.